spotted. Smoke spotted in the galley.
Oh, please tell me it's just someone boiling water too aggressively.
Negative, sir. This is actual smoke. Over.
Its signature confirmed. It's coming from the galley. Marco Station.
Marco, report. Over.
I swear, I only turned on the stove on. Why is there smoke already? I brought a blanket. Wait, this is a towel. Pete, a towel cannot stop a fire. Get that, this is a fire emergency. Get a full party.
Leo, grab a rail car extinguisher and head to the galley immediately. Yes, sir. Beef, stay with Marco and wait for Tayo to get there. Dex, cut the galley power.
The galley power has been cut.
Then Brel, secure the area, Brel.
Nasa na po. Itang saan?
Beef, where's the actual fire blanket?
I grabbed the towel by accident.
Why would you bring a blanket on the actual fire?
The recipe said, add heat. I think I add too much heat.
Alright, spray! Why me? I wasn't in the kitchen. Relax, Pete. Who suits you? Sorry, wrong angle. Spray on the base of the fire now.
Oh look!
It's a tiny flame. I need to extinguish it.
Engine room fire contained. Ventilation active. You're up here. Copy. The smoke level is dropping. Fire contained.
Ha ha ha. Marco, your body looks like a survivor explosion. My chili betrayed me.
Marco, your cooking is only 2 modes. Antibone and emergency. Alright. Good work, everyone. The alarm was detected, the power was cut, and the fire extinguished. And Marco is banned from cooking.
So, can I make a toast?
No!
We're now entering a high-risk area. Shipmate driver, please implement security level ship level 3.
Yes, Captain. All external doors locked. Razor wires and barriers secured. Fire pumps tested and set for immediate use. Lockout information assigned. Citadel prepared in stock.
Permission to speak, sir.
Speak.
Lockout, posting active, Captain. High vigilance.
Permission to speak, sir.
Go ahead.
Forward and aft station check. Access point secured. The engine room is ready for maximum speed, sir.
Okay, I will inform you if that's required.
Captain, this is Sintos from Electronics. I'm here to inform you that CCTV, SSAS, LRIP, and communication systems are all operational, sir.
Okay, copy.
Speak, sir. Galley sealed, sir. All loose items secured.
Everything alright?
Yes, sir. Is completing my safety rounds.
Captain, this is Lookout Barrientos. There's a suspicious high-speed craft at bearing 225, closing distance.
Shipmate, initiate anti-parachute protocol. Everyone, be alert. All crew, proceed to designated safe areas. Lock on access doors. Fire pumps on. Maintain radio silence except essential communication.
Axel, what's the news there?
Deck secured, sir. High pressure hoses activated on port side.
Main engine set to maximum rating, ready for fast maneuvering.
It's good to hear coming from the engine room. How about the electronics?
CCTV shows the skip attempting to close the monitoring movement, Captain.
That's good that everyone is prepared.
Everyone, prepare to roll call. Roll call complete. All personnel accounted for.
Cadet, why the delay?
I was ensuring no one left behind, sir. After first, 20 degrees to starboard, increase speed, maintain distance, and initiate evasive maneuvers.
Sir, the skip is falling behind. Their distance is increasing.
Maintain current course until clear.
That's all and dismiss.
Thank you, sir! Threat has cleared. Permission to release lockdown, Captain.
Conduct a full inspection, all decks and access points. Everyone, I need updates now.
No damage observed on deck. Virus intact, sir.
That's good to hear, Axel. How about the engine room?
Engine room normal, sir, no abnormalities.
CCTV safe for recording. SSAS and AAS functioning normally, sir.
Cadet Oli Longmog nag-release Seaman Usual. Request permission to read with CTV.
Approved. Security has been thorough.
Prepare the full piracy incident report, update the company and submit required documentation to authorities. Ensure the crew is debriefed and ready for continued transit.